uh, Part 2, Theorem 2.1. To make the explanations easier to understand, perhaps I should use one simple examples. Okay, maybe we can look at example 2.12. How many sample points are there in the sample space when a pair of dice is thrown once? So means that you have two dice in your hand. You toss, then you want to observe two outcomes. So what is the total numbers, total possible outcome for the first one? 6. You can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How about the second one? Is also 6. So according to theorem 2.1, the sponsor total sample space for this event, tossing two dice at the same time, you will have 6 multiplied with 6, 36. Okay, for maybe if you think you still cannot fully understand why 6 multiplied by 6, you can draw the probability tree. First levels, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This representing 6 possible outcomes for the first dice. But if, say for example, if the first die you got 1, you obtain 1. So what is the possible outcome for the second one? You can get another possible 6. So 6, each one, you branch out another 6. So if you draw, you will and you count, you'll notice that y is equal to 36. Okay, so now example 2.13. A developer of a new subdivision offer prospective home buyers a choice of Tudors, rustics, colonial, and traditionals. Exterior styling in ranch, two-story and split-level floor plans. Wow. Okay, so don't ask me what is Tudors, what is okay. You just know that okay, there are two different events. One you have 4 choices, the other one you have 3 choices. In how many, and they can combine. Uh, they can combine in any combinations. So in how many different way can buyer order one of these home? So we have 4 choices first, 3 choices for another ones. So 4 multiplied with 3, so means that there are possible outcomes. So you can see in this diagram. Okay, and these concepts can be extended to more than 2. So that's why we can n1 multiplied with n2 multiplied until nk. So like for example, Sam is going to assemble a motorcycle by himself. He has the choice of ordering motor from 2 brands, a motorcycle body frame from 4, and side mirror from 3, and panel brake from 5 local store. So 2, 4, 3, 5. How many different ways can Sam order the part? So how many ways? So it's 2 multiplied 4 multiplied 3 and multiplied 5. Then you get the possible outcome is 120 way. Example 2.15. How many even 4-digit number can be formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, and 9? And each digit can be used only once, cannot be repeated. Okay, say since the number must be evens, so we only have 3 choices for the unit positions. So because we only have 0, 2, and 6, only have 3. Okay, so now okay, however 4-digit numbers, the thousand position cannot be 0. Hence we consider the unit position by 2 parts, 0 or not 0. So means that okay, we have to consider 2 cases. One is we place the last digit, the unit digit, as 0. So one case, then you get the answer first. Then the second one is okay, it's not 0. So what is another case? Okay, so now we consider the first case is we place 0 in the unit position, so that it won't go to thousand position. So what is the answer? So means that okay, for this case only 0 can be placed in the even. That's why in the unit position. So that's why there is only one choice. So but altogether we have 5. Okay, we have 1, 2, 5, 6, 9. So we go to 1000 unit, we have 5 choices. 100 unit, we have 4 choices. Then 3 choices. So that's why the answer is 5 multiplied 4 multiplied 3 equal to 60. But on the other hand, if the unit is not 0, So we only have two choices. Okay, we only have 2 or 6. So that's why the answer is the unit choices for is 2. But at the same time, we don't want to place 0 in the first in 1,000 units. That's why by right we have 4. Because of 0 we have to hide it. That's why we only have 4 choices. So it means that the 1,000 unit we only have 4. But when we go to 100 unit, 0 is allowed. So that's why the number of choices still remain 4, then 3. So the number is equal to 96. So the final answer is 60 plus 96 is equal to 156.